Hi Facebook, I'm Tammy. I'm once again in the home with Tony and Linda White, and today I'm talking about our Schluter Systems that we have to offer for bathroom projects. As you can see, they have their bathroom already, the waterproofing part of it is already done. They've used the Curdy board, which is the diced part, and the band. And this piece down here is the bench, and they come in several sizes. They can come with just the board already pre-assembled, or now they offer it with the fabric right on it, which would save time upon installation. You wouldn't have to put the added waterproofing over it. They have the drain kits, the wall drain kits. Over there, even though you can't see it right now, there's a built-in what they call niche. It's like a built-in shelf unit for like your shampoos and things. And in the store we stock those in 12 by 12 and 12 by 20. But there's 2 or 3 other sizes that we can special order for you if you're interested in a different size. And down along the front, I don't think you can see that either, but it's called a curb. And they come several different lengths, either just the Curdy board material or pre-wrapped with the fabric for the waterproofing. And back here is where the bathtub is, and there's also Curdy board back there so that you can tile around your bathtub. And on the floor there's what they call the Detra, and that's what you set your floor tile on. So we offer every part and component that would be necessary to install your tile and to make everything waterproof. So if you're interested in getting an estimate or seeing all the materials that we do have to offer, come visit us at Ward Lumber. Thank you.